Hi, Healthy Squad. So today, what I'm gonna do is get ready to repair this. So I'm trying this gluten-free pasta out. So first we put the salt in, then we put the noodles in. Whoops. So this is a half a cup of nuts, half a cup of avocado olives, half a cup of tomatoes, and cannellini beans. So what I'm gonna do is pour this in, this in, this in. I can't get it out. This in. And this in. And then I'm gonna stir it all together. This is for 2 people. You can make it for 6 or 3. It just depends on how many people are eating it. So, there you go. We're trying this new pasta because I'm trying to eat gluten-free. I'm putting this on top for a little garnish. This is all for me today. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So bye for now. Okay, I'm ready. The pasta was just too dry, but it was really good. I like the tomatoes. They're mwah. That's it. I think the gluten-free pasta was good, but it was dry. And this. Bye for now.